Hello virtuous people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make Nigerian beans with no palm oil. This is Yemmietv recipe. I am trying out her recipe for the first time and at the same time joining the moving trend on YouTube for her 1,500 challenge. If you convert 1,500 naira in cedis, which is Ghana currency, as at when this video was filmed, it was 16 cedis. I am a Nigerian based in Ghana. Let's see what 16 cedis can get for a family of 4 in a strange land. If I go for our Nigerian food, man, I can't really tell. Because of how expensive our Nigerian food are before they get here, I decided to go for those food that Ghanaians eat and Nigerians also eat so that I can be able to manage the 16 cedis. Nigerians and Ghanaians eat the food I'm going to cook now, though they cook it in different ways, but I'm going to cook it exactly the way Yemmietv cooked it in her video. I will drop the link of Yemmietv 1,500 naira video challenge in my description box and also the link to her video that I am reacting to. Have you been wondering who is this Yemmietv that Nancy is talking about? Yemmietv is a Nigerian food blogger based in Lagos, Nigeria. She is doing well. In fact, when I grow up in YouTube, I would like to be like her. If you are watching and it happens that you have not been to her channel before, please check her out. You will see a lot of delicacies you cannot be able to resist. I will be going to Ghanaian local market to see what 16 cedis can get for family of 4. Man, if I go to the market I normally go, that one is Kingsway. This is Ghana 20 cedis. I am going to make use of 16 cedis from here. You know, 20 cedis minus 16 cedis is 4. The 4 is not for the market, but for me. This is my first time of filming in the market, but I must join the trend. So let's go to the market.
Bye. Take.
Guys, I am back from the market. No be small thing, no, but thank God we were able to manage the 16 cedis. This is my honey beans. I bought one big cup for 3 cedis. This is my ripe plantain. I bought it for 5 cedis. This is 3 onion. I bought it for 50 pesos. I bought my green pepper for 50 pesos. My fresh tomato for 2 cedi. My fresh pepper for 1 cedi. Vegetable oil for 2 cedis. Seasoning cube for 50 pesos. Dry thyme for 50 pesos. This is garlic. I bought it for 1 cedi. Sisi Yemmie used poi sauce for her own beans, but because I went to a local market, I couldn't get poi sauce, so I have to substitute it with garlic. And lastly, this is my salt. I bought it for 50 pesos. The total cost of all the ingredients is 15 cedis, 50 pesos. I still have 50 pesos remaining, which I can still use and buy 3 sachets of pure water. Now let's start cooking. I'll pour some water inside the beans. I'm like trying to parboil the beans to eliminate excess gas from the beans. I will cover the pot and allow it to boil. The beans is boiled after some minutes, as you can see. Now I will remove it from the heat and wash it. After removing the beans from the heat, the next thing I want to do is to drain out the water from the beans. Can you see how dirty the water looks like? This is not good to our health. Then I will rinse the beans with a clean water. I really want to follow all of this Sisi Yemmie beans recipe to see if I can start eating beans, because I'm not a fan of beans at all. Quote me wrong or right, this is my first time of posting beans on this channel. Now I'm done washing and I will add some onion, because Yemmietv added onion, and I will add water and cover the pot and allow it to cook until it is tender. As the beans is cooking, let's start blending the recipes we will use for the sauce. Now I'll add my fresh tomato inside my food processor. And I will add my onion and I will leave some for the sauce. I will add some cloves of garlic. And I will add some pepper. I will not be using all I bought from the market. This is the one remaining. And I will blend this recipe very rough. This tomato sauce is what is going to define the beans according to Yemmietv. So this is how roughly I blended it, as you can see. Now let's move over to the sauce. This is all the oil I got from the budget. I want to use it and fry my plantain first before using it for my sauce, so that my oil will have a unique taste for the sauce. Okay, now I don't want to overcrowd the pan. I will fry the plantain until the both sides are golden brown. Now they are golden brown, I will remove them and put them inside my food warmer so that they will not get cold before I finish my beans. I will fry the remaining plantain off the camera because of time. Okay, now I'm done frying the plantain. I will transfer the oil I used to fry the plantain to a bigger pan, because the pan I used to fry the plantain cannot contain the sauce and the beans as well. Now I will add my onion. Remember that the oil is hot already. After a while I will add my green pepper, after which I will add my dry thyme, and I will stir completely and allow them to cook for a while. Then I will add my tomato mix. Remember, it's tomato, fresh pepper, onion and garlic. I will stir them completely to make sure they are well mixed. Guys, after 5 minutes of stirring, I will now add my seasoning cube. You know, I bought 2 seasoning cubes in the market. I'll be adding 1 and then remain 1. This is the one remaining. This is the salt I bought in the market. I will now add some to taste, after which I will stir completely to make sure that all the recipes are well blended. You get what I mean. Now I will taste, and I find out that the taste was bam. Now I will stir very well. This sauce and beans is gonna be delicious. This is my beans, as you can see, plus and minus. I cook these beans for 45 minutes. If you have your pressure cooker, I think it will be faster than this. Now I will add the beans to the sauce, after which I will stir the beans and the sauce together to mix very well. You get what I mean? Mix very well. Marry each other, talk to each other. You understand? So now I will dish it out. On this junction, guys, our beans with no palm oil is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow guys, we are done cooking the Nigerian beans with no palm oil. But before I showcase the beans, I want to show you some of the ingredients I remember from the 16 cedis budget, which is equivalent to 1,500 naira. So guys, I am super happy. If you can see how happy I am, you will not understand. These are the ingredients that are remaining from what I managed out. This is salt. No matter what I cook in 2 weeks, I cannot finish this salt. This is 1 onion remaining from the budget. This is fresh pepper. I have some cloves of garlic. I have seasoning cube. This seasoning cube I bought 2. I used 1 and it's remaining 1. All these ingredients, guys, are what I remain from the 16 cedis budget. Wow, Yemmietv have taught me how to manage my kitchen more wella. So guys, I want to test the Yemmietv recipe before the camera to confirm if the recipe is good or not. You know our way. Do you know what? I don't like beans, but just like she said in that video that she don't like beans too, but after cooking these beans this way, that since that time she and her family started eating beans. Likewise me, I don't like eating beans, but let me try these beans this way and see if I can be able to be eating beans at least once in a week. Yemmietv, I give you a thumbs up. I could have given you a double thumbs up if at all I can do that on YouTube. But you know now, I cannot do that on YouTube. Try out this recipe to confirm things yourself. Try the recipe, tag Yemmietv and me in all our social media handle as usual. If you like what you see today, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to family and friends and always drop your comment. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.